The thing that excites me most about the electronics industry today is the fact that it's pervasive. It's involved in every single industry in the world, whether it's AI, automotive, energy, everything relies on electronics. The biggest opportunity that the electronics industry brings to you is the very fact that it's always changing. You always have an opportunity to learn something new and bring that to benefit the industry. When you think about getting engaged with the Global Electronics Association, many people want to understand what's the value. There are tangible value pieces, access to standards, the ability to actually interact and change those standards, access to training. But there's also the intangible value, which is the networking, the connections, the community that allows you to solve problems that you really haven't thought of yet. Membership matters because it allows you to stay in touch. Periodic interactions with the association are helpful, but there's a constant flow of change and information that's coming, and you need to be able to be aware of that so you don't miss something that can be critical to your career or to your company. This year at Apex Expo, I had the opportunity and privilege to talk with people from all over the world. Something that's a little bit different this year is that we're in a state of increasing growth, and yet we're not seeing the expansion we normally would because of the challenges that are being faced from tariff changes, geopolitical tensions, wars, etc. So that's a little bit different than it is in the past. The other dominant theme here at Apex Expo has been AI. How is it going to change how we do manufacturing, how we build electronics better with AI? The fact that it's not just a product, but it's an infrastructure that's going to be pervasive across every system we use. There's no better career in the world to get involved with than the electronics industry. It is pervasive. It helps every other industry succeed. It is constantly changing, so it's never going to get boring. This is the place for you to make your career.